What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as always, man, I always appreciate all the love and support, man. In today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be reviewing this guy. And this guy right here, this is from WaxGods. This is your Super-Suds car soap, and I really like the color on this bottle. I think it's super cool. Shout out to WaxGods, man, because these guys right here are my official sponsors right now. Coupon code is gonna be right over here. It says Prime. Make sure you guys go on their website, and whatever you guys purchase is 15% off using the coupon code Prime. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be going ahead and mixing this up. One of my tips of advice that I'm gonna give you guys when you mix this bottle up in your pressure washer, because that's what I'm gonna use, is make sure you guys use hot water. A lot of people make that mistake where they don't use hot water and it just doesn't make it foam up enough. So we're gonna put the bottle to the test because I'm gonna wash Prime Time right there behind me, and we're gonna get it going with this guy right here. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight to the point. Mix it up with hot water. I usually put about that much in the bottle, which I'm gonna show you guys here in just 1 second, and then the rest of it is gonna be all water. Shake it up, get it all ready to go. Spray the car down first, and then we're gonna hose it down with this guy. Let's see what happens. Holla. There you go, guys, right there. As you can see, that's all I'm gonna be using when it comes down to this. I'm just gonna fill it up to this. Nah, you know what? Let's load up just a little bit more in here. Hold on a second. We're gonna fill up just a little bit more. That, I wanna say right there, should do the job. The rest of it is gonna be hot water. I'm gonna go fill that up right now and bring the car back outside and then get straight to it. Let's get it. All right, you guys, so I got my bottle all ready to go. I filled it up with the hot water. As you can see, it's nice and loaded up, ready to go. Only thing to do now is make sure we get that Prime Time started up. I don't know if it'll be a cold start because I drove it earlier, but Optimus is awakened. Let's get it. Let's pull the car out. Way to do it. Let's get it. you guys, another tip for you guys. I like this where I'm like leaning down and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Maybe like a video, you know what I mean? Like we shooting a music video or something, like back in the day when I was rapping and stuff. Now I'm playing. Listen, where you can start when you hose your car down, always start from the top of the car and work your way down. Don't ever spray from the front going all the way back, because I mean you can, but I always start from the top so it can push all the soap going down, and then we go from there. So let's get it. Alright guys, now that I got it all cleaned up, ready to go, time to wipe it down. Alright you guys, so I got Prime all wrapped up, all good to go. Make sure you guys get yours, you know what I'm saying? Just go on their website on WaxGods.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. They're on Instagram also, at WaxGods on Instagram. And make sure you guys get yours, man. I really like this stuff, man. Make sure you get the one that, I mean, this is the one that I recommend for you guys to go with. This says Super-Suds car soap. That's the one you want to rock. When you go on their website, make sure you guys type in the coupon code PRIME and get yours. Don't forget what I was saying though when I was actually like recording the video. Make sure you guys are using hot water when you guys are pouring this in there, because if you don't use hot water, I've seen reviews before where they're not getting the exact foam that I was getting, where it was thicker foam than what they were doing. So theirs was kind of watered down, and it just, you know, the review was okay, they were giving it, but I love the stuff based on my review. I absolutely love it. You guys can be the judge. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. You can see the car is looking nice and pretty. It's cleaned up, ready to go. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. You know what I'm saying? Stuff works great. It just depends on how you use it. You want to make sure you use it just right. Use it to the point where it's going to do its job. Don't put just a little bit in there. Don't put too much in there. You saw how much I filled up in my bottle, my foam cannon bottle. And make sure you guys use hot water. Every time I turn on the sink for the hot water, I never turn it on to the point where, you know, it's like really strong the way the water is coming out. It's like very lightly the way the water is coming out, so that way it doesn't foam up all the way up to the top, and that way you just get the most out of the water when you fill it up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, man, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys get yours. I'm gonna do another review on a different product that I have, and we'll see what you guys think about that. But in the meantime, between time, if this is your first time on my page, you already know what to do, Priminators. If you're a brand new Priminator, then holla at your boy, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Show your boy some love. Video a thumbs up. You know, make sure you guys leave a comment, share. You know how it goes, man. You guys know the drill. You know what I'm saying? And of course, most importantly, don't skip the ads. That's how your boy gets rewarded. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to bring home that ZL1, and with your guys' love and support, I will be able to do that. I'm working my best, my hardest on my channel and at work. I'm doing both, Instagram, social media, everything that I can, giving you guys the best of the best of what I know, my knowledge, pass it on to you guys, and let's just do it. We take it to the top together. You know what I'm saying? DILLA, Priminator, out.